Good evening, student. Yesterday in the last class, we have taken exercise number 3.3. In that first problem we have completed. We will continue with the second problem. You see, in the second problem, s minus t equal to 3 and s upon 3 plus of t upon 2 equal to 6. Two equation given. One is in equation form, another one is in different form it is given. So, first you arrange the equation in a proper form. First one is okay. S minus t equal to 3. The second one you see, s upon 3 plus t upon 2 equal to 6. Convert into a equation form. Take LCM 3 and 2, 6 will be the LCM. So we have to multiply s by 2 and t by 3. And when you cross multiply 6, it will become 36 here. Okay. So your first equation will become s minus t equal to 3. Second equation become 2s plus 3t equal to 36. That is second equation. Okay. Then it is in substitution method. So what you have to do, first equation I am converting in terms of x. So s equal to 3 plus of t, because t I am taking to other side. So 3 plus t, and taking this third equation I am substituting in the second one. What is our second equation? 2s plus of 3t equal to 36. In that s value I am substituting. Okay. So 2 bracket 3 plus of t plus 3t equal to 36. Then remove the bracket, 6 plus 2t plus of 3t equal to 36. Then I am simplifying 2t plus 3t, that is 5t. 6 I am taking to other side. So 5t equal to 36 minus 6. So 5t equal to 30. Therefore t equal to 30 upon 5, you will get 6. T value you have got 6. Then take this fourth equation, 6 value, and substitute in the any one of the equation. Suppose in the first equation I am taking s minus of 6 equal to 3. Because our t is s minus t equal to 3, I am taking s minus of 6 equal to 3. Then s equal to 6 will go other side, it will become plus. So 3 plus 6 equal to 9. So s value is 9 and t value is 6. Therefore the solution for the given problem is x comma y or s comma t in this problem, that is equal to 9 comma 6. That is your first problem. Okay. Understood? Substitution means one equation you have to convert in one term and substitute in the second equation. Okay. Third problem, you take it as a homework and try by yourself. We will go for the fourth problem, which is given in point form. 0.2x plus of 0.3y equal to 1.3. Second equation, 0.4x plus 0.5y equal to 2.3. First you remove the decimal from that one. So what we can write? 2 upon 10 plus 3 upon 10y equal to 13 upon 10. Second equation, 4 upon 10x plus 5 upon 10y equal to 23 upon 10. Clear? Then 10 both sides are there, it will get cancelled. So your equation will become 2x plus 3y equal to 13. And second equation will become 4x plus 5y equal to 23. Right? Then rearranging any one equation in terms of x. First equation I have taken. 2x equal to 13 minus of 3y. So here 3y I am taking to other side. So it will become minus 3y. Then x equal to 13 minus 3y upon 2. So we have converted x form. X equal to 13 minus 3y upon 2. That is equation 3. Substitute this equation 3 in equation 2. So I am substituting here. So it will become 4 bracket 13 minus 3y upon 2 plus of 5y equal to 23. Here 2 and 4 get cancelled. So 2 times. Then I am taking that fraction here. 2 multiply 13, it will become 26, and 2 minus 3y, it will become minus 6y, and here 5y equal to 23 we are written. Then I am grouping minus 6 and 5. So we will get minus y. Minus 6 is greater, plus 5 is smaller. So we are getting minus y. Then I am taking this 26 to other side. So 23 minus of 26. So your answer will be minus y equal to minus 3. Therefore minus minus get cancelled. Y equal to 3. One answer we have got, y value. Substitute this y in the equation 3. Our equation 3 is what? X equal to 13 minus of 3y upon 2. So y value I am substituting 3. So 3 into 3, 9. So 13 minus 9, 4 upon 2. So divide it, you will get 2. So your answer solution for this xy is 2, 3. Understood? 2, 3. Then fifth problem, you take it as a homework and try it. And sixth problem we will go. In sixth problem, what is given there? 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 equal to minus 2. X upon 3 plus y upon 2 equal to 13 upon 6. Here also simplify this equation in a equation form. When I am simplifying 2 and 3, LCM is 6. So I have to multiply here 3 into 3, 9x. And 2 into 5, minus 10y. That is equal to 6 into minus 2, minus 12. The first equation. And second equation, you see 3, 2 is there. So 2 you have to multiply 2x. Here you have to multiply 3, 3y equal to 6. If we are cross multiplying 6, this 6 and this 6 will cancel. You will get 13. That is the second equation. Now we are having pair of equation, first one, second one. Now as usual, rearrange the equation 1 in terms of x. Any equation you can rearrange. I am rearranging the equation number 1. So x equal to what it is coming? Minus 12. If 10y goes there, plus 10y upon 9. So x value you are getting minus 12 plus 10y upon 9. Take this value, third equation, and substitute in the second equation. So x value I am substituting here. You see 2 bracket minus 12 plus of 10y upon 9 plus of 3y equal to 13. Then I am simplifying, taking these two inside the bracket. Minus 24 plus 20y upon 9. That is equal plus of 3y. That is equal to 13. Then once again I am simplifying. 24 I am taking LCM here. So I am taking LCM. When I am taking LCM, 9 will be the LCM. Minus 24 will be remain. 20y will remain as it is because it is upon 9. So when you cross multiply, here 1 is there, you have to multiply by 9. So 3 should be multiplied by 9. So 27y. That is equal to cross multiply here 13 into 9, 117. Now simplify this equation. 47y I am adding 20 plus of 27, 47y. That is equal to, already 117 is this side. Take this minus 24 to other side. So it will become plus 24. So totally if we are getting 47y equal to 141. Therefore y equal to, cross multiply and divide it, 141 upon 47. So 47 3 times, it will give you the y value. Take this y value and substitute in the equation 3. Y equal to 3. Therefore in the x equation you substitute it minus 12 plus of 10 into 3 upon 9. When you simplify this equation, minus 12 plus 30 upon 9. That is equal to x equal to 30 minus of 12 means it is 18 upon 9. Then if you divide by 9, it will become 2. So the solution for this equation is xy comma bracket equal to 2 comma 3. Understood? This is the substitution method. The first question we have completed. Then the word problem is given. That we will take it in the next classes. Okay. Thank you.